With the currently so quickly changing technology, you'll understand that unlearning what you know and learning again will be your key to the future, to the career, to the good life, to making most of AI you can make of.
So my name is Martyna Perzyńska
And I'm Weronika Glinka.
and we are from Gdańsk from high school.
My name is Pamela and I came to this event as a tech mentor. I have noticed a lot of energy in the room, and I do enjoy that girls are focused and that they want to do stuff, because some of them, it's the first hackathon that they're attending in their lives.
Well, the entire event itself was certainly inspiring. The tech mentors were really amazing.
We want to make sure that all the women and all the girls who are in this room know that there's incredible opportunity for them, and technology doesn't have a gender. Technology is here for us all, and we want everyone to be involved so everyone can shape the future for us all to live.